I think what Rilla enabled for our company is the opening up and understanding of our processes, which has allowed us to let our guys better understand what we're expecting of them. Hi, my name is Paul Weiss. I'm the owner of Door Serv Pro. Customer service is what we specialize in, based on repairing of garage doors and people looking for new garage doors, new technology and such. The role that sales plays as far as acquiring new customers is huge. Our process is an 8-step process, and it's a proven process at 85%. Prior to working with Rilla, the problem was my guys weren't working it, and we were seeing a bunch of what we call zeros, so no ticket. I decided to work with Rilla because they're a leader, and there aren't many companies working in AI, and especially with the sales process.
What I really like is how they give you a summary of that whole job, and that not only attaches and integrates with our Service Titan, but it allows the technician to pull it up and read it themselves. With our guys, they're able to come in, we're able to do one-on-ones, we're able to say, hey, here's the key points that you did hit, here's where you kind of struggled. Once we partnered with Rilla, I've definitely seen that confidence level gain.
They offer something that nobody else does, and it can drive revenue if you work it in the right way. Would I recommend Rilla? 100%, without a doubt. Anybody who wants to grow their revenue by processes in the field, then these are the guys to talk to.